people, this is the coolest minister. You're on the street to Minister Mapinya on the Press TV. On TV, the Kasim TV, Bram Grand.
Ngimnandi futhi manje mnandi njani?
Ngimnandi Bram, njengo number 6, Prime Train. Except Bram, how was the game today?
The game was a little tough. Sure. I will say Pirates tried the best, but not all the best.
Yeah.
Everyone knows when the team get a red card, we'll never lose the match easy and win the game easy. But for our fans like Pirates, for me, it's for good for me. My team made the best they can try. Sure. So the game was like that.
But you feel like it's not good enough?
Not good enough for me, but we can try our best. That is not the end of the world.
So, what is your player of the day today?
I will give the player of the day Portland. Space.
Space. So, what message would you say when to Orlando Pirates now that the coach on via and the Pirates is do you think when that's because the coach via players now so just playing J?
I would say half of the players now are feeling but it's not end of the world. It's not the first time that the coach is leaving a club. Sure. You must just keep on pushing until we get our far away. If we get our league, but just keep on pushing.
So now let's league.
Maybe or not, but when you see sometimes it's too far with the league.
Sure. Thank you, Bishop. I'm sure that he's a light.